No matter how long you have been established as a business, the current marketing world can be somewhat challenging to navigate. Mistakes are bound to be made. Here at 7 Social, we want to help you avoid them when you can. So we've compiled a list of the most common digital marketing mistakes and how to mitigate your risk of making them.
If you are not using social media outlets to get your message in front of your clientele, then you are making a huge mistake. Paid reach on Facebook and Instagram continues to provide remarkable results. Without social media, you can be sure you are missing out on the opportunity to grow your customer base exponentially. It is vital to use social media for converting leads into consumers through disseminating your information and contacting your target audience. For a business to properly manage its social media marketing, it must maintain engagement in a realistic and enduring way. Hiring an expert like 7 Social can save you time and money and ensure that your social media presence is positive. At 7 Social, we have 5 packages specifically focused on Facebook advertising. Starting out at $995 per month, our experts will assist with the development, configuration, and administration of your Facebook page. If you already have a Facebook page, we will assess it and make any required adjustments to improve its performance. Our staff will also publish on your behalf to expand your audience. It's perfect for starting your road to brand recognition. Customers must be able to locate you online. Thus, it is crucial to concentrate on SEO. Effective SEO maximizes your internet presence. This means that the more people that have seen your site pop up in a search, the greater your internet traffic and the greater your possibilities of reaching a larger audience with your product or service. Remember, there are only 10 positions available on every Google search page. This can be a problem. After all, when doing a Google search, how frequently do you visit the 2nd, 3rd, or 20th page of the search results? Most likely, you will seldom need to, since the first few results tend to provide the information you sought. If your company is not among the first 10 search results, a competitor has acquired a new client at your expense. In addition to improving your visibility and traffic, SEO assists you in establishing yourself as an expert in your industry. It attracts new customers and helps you develop your connection with existing customers by establishing their trust. So how do you utilize SEO? The simplest starting point is to determine which keywords are most relevant to your business and clientele. Identify and optimize for a certain keyword phrase for each page of authoritative material on your site. Consider how your reader may use search phrases to locate the page using a question. For example, what is SEO? Then you can strategically place keywords with that in mind. Like SEO, setting up a target audience is something you should never skip. In addition to helping plan your campaign and further your SEO strategy, audience targeting is essential for reaching the right people at the right time with the appropriate message. In the end, if your advertisements are not appropriately targeted, you will have poor campaign performance, wasted advertising dollars, and poor customer experiences. At 7 Social, we utilize consumer data to design tailored ad campaigns and target prospective consumers when they are most likely to perform an action, such as making a purchase. If you are not using programmatic advertising, you could be wasting your ad spend. Programmatic advertising is an effective technique to handle in-app inventory auctions and target individual consumers using data criteria. Instead of buying pay-per-click ads individually, programmatic ads use an algorithm to purchase multiple ads in milliseconds utilizing information about your target audience. You are not just buying ad space to buy ad space and hope it works. You are being more strategic about it, increasing your ROI. At 7 Social, we offer 4 amazing levels of programmatic marketing. Our programmatic ad offerings include geographic, both keyword and contextual search, site and CRM retargeting, as well as programmatic video. If a first-time visitor becomes a customer, he or she is taking a risk. Good customer service is essential for mitigating this risk, since 70% of consumers will continue doing business with you if their concerns are treated satisfactorily. Be sure to provide links for receiving assistance in a prominent location on your website so that visitors are aware it is there. This may be a contact us link, a virtual chat box available 24/7, a toll-free number, or another means. Ensure that anybody who visits your site is aware that assistance is available if needed. When designing these features, remember that the bulk of internet users access your site and your customer service through mobile devices rather than a stationary computer or laptop. By optimizing your website for mobile consumers, you may increase their confidence in you. Simply place your advertisements on your website and verify that it is mobile-friendly, and voila! You can even build your own app. By allowing customer service to happen through a mobile website or app, you are ensuring it is easily accessible for all customers, increasing the quality of your service overall. Advertising firms and marketing agencies offer the contacts and resources necessary to ensure the success and efficiency of your campaign. They know how to position and design advertisements and already own the appropriate computer applications to create stunning creatives. Since they work with companies in multiple industries, agencies have already seen what works in your industry and what does not. Their knowledge might help you save time and money. Employing an advertising agency also eliminates the requirement for you and your team to build an advertising plan. This is particularly critical if you lack a specialized advertising team. While it may seem that employing an advertising agency would be costly, an agency can save you a significant amount of money on ad placement. The majority of publishers and radio and television stations provide discounts to agencies, allowing them to get lower prices than your company would buying the ad space directly. Additionally, agencies may quickly revamp advertisements to be more successful, saving your organization more money.